Hi there, it's Martin from the Webmaster.io team, and in this short video, we'll talk about the difference between webhook endpoints and API endpoints in the Webmaster.io studio. When you go to the Endpoints tab in the studio, you'll be able to create a new endpoint. And here you'll be able to select either API or webhook. Now, the main difference between the two is that in the webhook, when you select the business process that you want to connect, you will be able to change the variable names for each one of the input variables and output variables that you have defined in the business process. Now, this will come useful when you want to connect Webmaster.io to an external service, which, for example, sends information about a new event, a new user, or similar. Now, another difference is that when you create a new webhook endpoint, you won't be able to use it inside of the front end. So either with the web apps designer or the mobile apps designer. You'll only be able to use API endpoints for that. For example, to create a new table. Now, how do you access the endpoint that you have created, either webhook or API? You just go to the project API, documentation, and in here you'll be able to find the link of the particular deployment to which you'll have to add the particular URL of your endpoint. When you combine the two, you'll be able to add them, for example, to an external API or to the service that you are using.